Okay, so you guys chose the Rube Goldberg device. Damn you, by the way. So I'm going to get this spoonful of sugar into this cup of tea in a really convoluted way. So as you can tell, Rube Goldberg devices kind of take a lot of effort. So it's pretty minimal because I was limited with time and household objects and imagination, things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. How brief it was, but next week should be better. Hopefully, I'm actually moving next week, so I'll try to be entertaining, but it probably won't be too complex. We'll see. Thanks for watching again. Experiment30.com. Okay, bye.